Hello everyone, today I'm back with a Tevise T801A after almost a year, more than a year I guess, so you could call this a long-term review. Yeah, it's been a year and I haven't even worn this watch that much, but you can see it's missing some parts. I don't know why or how, but the crown after like 2 months just, I don't know, might have been my fault, but it just broke off. I still have the stem as well. It just looks broken. What can you expect for 15 euros, I guess, yeah. I'm just disappointed. I was so happy when I got it, but it's just, I would not recommend it today because an automatic watch, a diver that has no water resistance, by the way, I'm pretty sure, has poor lume. Just the corners are cut everywhere. You can see the lume pit on the bezel is just not even centered. I mean, it's 15 euros. You get what you pay for, but like the bezel play, the way it sounds, and it has some sharp angles on it as well. I don't know if the phone picks it up, but like you can like micro cut your fingers. So I don't know. It's just the Cyclops is not centered. Oh, it's going. At least the movement is still going. Yeah, I removed the back. You're better off not removing the back because just a nail nick on it. Where even is it? Right, right here. You can see all the scratches because the back remover tool I'm using, just the regular one I got from eBay, Elliot as well. It just destroys it. It's just too thick. The gap is too small. I guess I could have used a knife, but or this remover tool, but it just bends too easily. Yeah, a lot of gripes. Look at the lume, it's gone already. I don't know. In my opinion, I would not recommend this watch. You'd be better off buying quartz that you don't have to change the date on because you left for some time. Oh, the gasket came off. I think it has like, does it say? I didn't even remove the sticker on the back. That's how long I've been using it. Water resistant. It just says water resistant. Yeah. I don't know. I'll try to look for a stem with the crown online, but I only saw screw-on ones. But yeah, I guess it might have been my fault. It might have been that I just got a lemon, but I don't know. I just don't think it's worth it. The bracelet is fine, I guess. Just the end links could be better for the price. I mean, I was using the watch with this NATO band. Yeah, so I would not recommend this watch. Even for 20 bucks, you can buy like a Submariner clone quartz that has at least some water resistant. You can double the price and buy like a Rumas I've got here, Sapphire automatic NH36. I'll make a review on this soon. Yeah, so after a year, I would not recommend this. I was so happy when I got this as well. Yep. R.I.P. Tevise.